Hello, so my name is Jean-Baptiste. So I created Déambulons. So it's a company specialized in bamboo creation. So we create some furniture like this, and also some scenography and a big structure for indoor and outdoor. So we use French bamboo, and then we create all our stuff with some tools like Japanese tools and also like electrical tools. My inspiration for that work it's come from many sources, like from nature, from architecture, design, and land art. So I take inspiration every day from many stuff. I think creation, you cannot be on your desk and say, okay, I have to be creative now. Like you are creative because you never stop thinking. You're thinking at work, you're thinking when you are on your bed, driving your car. It's like you always creating, you always have idea, and that's how I create. My favorite project was for companies called Terra Botanica. So it's a park in France, and we cover a big bridge. So it was a 15 meters bridge, and we cover it with bamboo. So it was a 3 weeks project with many people, and we designed everything with a computer. So it was a really huge project, and yeah, something very beautiful. Working with bamboo is it's really fascinating materials. Like it's beautiful, it's strong, and it's also flexible. So you can do so many things with bamboo, and actually it's a very special material because it's round, it's empty inside, and yeah, with the flexibility you can do so many things. You learn every day. I think in 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, I will learn all my life with bamboo. Like you cannot be bored with bamboo work.